I'm back for a week, and although the garden's not faring real well, it's still alive. Recently we've had so much dry weather that the leaves from the gum trees have all fallen. Creates a bit of a mess, and unfortunately it has affected our pond. We did have fish in there, but with all the leaves falling into it, as you can see there, it's full of them, and the pumps were clogging up, couldn't cope with it, and it went a bit stinky and the fish died. So I'm actually using the opportunity to pull it all apart. I'm going to reshape it, redo it, make it a bit deeper, and yeah, basically start all over again. So I've just emptied the water out, trying to get rid of the sludge in the bottom. It's absolutely full of leaves and branches. That's the pump, and it stinks, and it's got mozzies growing in it. So excuse me, this isn't a real pleasant job. Okay, rocks are cleared, and we're ready to peel the plastic back. I think I might just end up digging this a little bit bigger. There's a bit of excess plastic over there, and I'm going to make that whole length the same depth as that one, which will make it another half a foot deeper or so, and might try and widen this bit here, but I do have not much plastic around this edge here, so I've got to be careful of that. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, been to the hardware store, so I know the width and size of my liner. Chook, stop filling the pond in. So I'm now going to widen it up a bit. Going to leave a little step in there. You probably can't see from here, but a ledge so they can put plants on the edge. And I'm going to widen it this side here as well. I've dug it all the same depth. Try and maybe widen this end as well, and start putting it back together. Okay, makeshift tripod. Hopefully the wind doesn't blow too hard. If you hear a crash and see everything go crazy, it's probably what's happened. So we've dug the hole. I've got my hands in there, felt around all the surfaces to make sure there's nothing sharp. And now I need to put down a protective layer for the rubber liner. Previously I had this carpet underlay. There are some pieces here which I will put in the very bottom, where the main weight from the water is. And I bought a couple of rolls of the thin white padding that you put under floating floors, which will just protect it from the sides where this stuff doesn't reach. So here we go. Okay, so it doesn't have to be pretty. It's just pushed into the little edges. There's a bit of dirt from there. Oops, when I took it out before, there's a lump. So we just push it into the edges here. Try and get it to form the shape. Slug. Yuck, get off. And where it doesn't quite fit, we just give it a bit of a fold, and that's okay. And the plastic liner sits over the top, it'll settle into the corner. So that's it. These few bits here, I'm just going to put the white liner on it now and take it up over the edge to try and keep it away from the dirt. It's nice and deep now, which is good. A bit wider, hopefully it'll work a bit better this time. Just go put you back on the post. And